Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix your missing TikTok repost button now. So you are not alone if your TikTok repost button is missing. This issue stops you from sharing videos with your followers to the For You page, but luckily there are simple steps to fix it in 2025. So I'm going to show you the four fix that you can do. The first one is clearing your TikTok cache to refresh the app settings. So what you need to do is just open your TikTok application. Now you can just head to your profile, click on the three lines icon at the top and go to the settings and privacy. Now you can just scroll down until you find the free app space option. Now you'll see the cache option in here. It's still calculating. You can now just click on clear button on the cache. So this will refresh the app settings. And now the second options that you can do is make sure that your account is correctly configured, especially if you recently switched from a business or pro account. So you can just check it. And the next one is verifying that you have the absolute latest version of the TikTok app installed on your phone. So you can check it by going to the Play Store or App Store in your device. Then just search for TikTok here. So if you don't see the updates option in here, that means your TikTok is already up to date. You don't need to update it. But if you see update available, then you need to update it as soon as possible. And the next thing that you can do is you can just reboot your device, because the simple system restart that will often forces the features back on. So basically the repost button is not available on your on all videos, because maybe the original creator of the TikTok videos might be hide it. So what you need to do to find it, just click on the share button in here. If the creators allow it, you'll see the repost options, but if it's not, then it will not be shown in here. So guys, that's how you can fix the TikTok repost button missing on your account. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.